Previously on Robo Crypto's technical analysis, Bitcoin is forming an M pattern. If the price of Bitcoin reaches $35,500, it's very crucial that it holds that level. So in the news today, we got El Salvador and their Bitcoin bill. The bill was approved by their Congress, so that is some good bullish news. Also, Kraken, Bitfinex and KuCoin could become the next major crypto exchanges to attempt to service India's estimated 15 million crypto investors. Now if that ends well, we could see a lot of money going to exchanges, which is also bullish. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. As I mentioned in my previous video, it was important for Bitcoin to hold the baseline of the M pattern. Later that day I tweeted out that on FTX there was only a couple 100 Bitcoins limit orders acting as support. That isn't a lot compared to 2 weeks ago, when Bitcoin was attempting to break $41,000, we had a couple thousands Bitcoin sell wall. Back to now. Bitcoin has formed a bit of an inverse head and shoulders pattern after it below from the M pattern. That's why right now $35,000 is crucial as to if it will go lower or higher, on the hourly time frame and immediate short term. Let's take a look at the overall trend. If we go to the daily time frame and do the Fibonacci retracement, from the swing low of $3,800 to the swing high of $65,000, you can see that we are currently battling the 50% area. If you watched the video I did about how low Bitcoin could go, you may remember that I said it usually revisits the wicks and goes a couple of percent further. As you can see, the big wick went down to $29,000 on FTX. And if we were to continue a bit further, we have the golden pocket ratio around $27,000. So we fill the gap and bounce off golden pocket ratio, which by the way is a previous support level. This would be the best outcome for Bitcoin in my opinion. Now you may see a lot of wicks on this specific chart, and wonder why the price didn't revisit. But trust me and check for yourself. On other exchange, with more liquidity there isn't these crazy wicks everywhere. So if I were you, I would make sure that my liquidation price isn't above $27,000. If we go back to the immediate short term, I can tell you that we may trade sideways for a bit. And if we close the day below $34,500, we are likely going to 27K. As for Ethereum, we were trading in an ascending channel in both the immediate short term and on the daily time frame. But we broke below the two ascending channels and found support at the $2,300 area of support. Now if we tried doing some technical analysis as to where ETH was going in the short term, you could draw an ascending triangle and say that we are going to the moon, but I do think that even if we see that breakout, we are likely going to reverse around the lower trend line of the ascending channel. If we go to the daily time frame and pull out a Fibonacci retracement, we can see that the price actually touched the golden pocket ratio twice. So if Bitcoin breaks below 30K, expect Ethereum to revisit that area. As for Ripple, I'll repeat what I said yesterday. We were in an ascending triangle, but we broke below. For the past few days the price has been touching the lower trend line, so if we break above $1 and close, that would be great. Ripple didn't break above the lower trend line and dumped to the previous support level of 78 cents. Lastly, we got Polkadot. Polkadot has been trading in an ascending triangle pattern for a while. But we broke below and dumped, like any coin. If we use our good old Fibonacci retracement tool, we can see that we are currently testing the golden pocket ratio. We can also see that we went as low as $15, and if we were to go that low again, that would be a great place to accumulate some dots. To finish off the video, I want to restart the trade of the day segment in this video series. There isn't much to say about this trade, since I spent a lot of time making this video. I have already entered the trade. But usually I will tell you when I would long or short a token. Algo is the biggest gainer of today on FTX, and usually these gainers have nice dips. I am going to set my take profit a bit short of the golden pocket ratio, and put it around $1. This is currently a small account that I'm trying to grow, like a challenge, but who knows if I may blow this account. Nonetheless, I'll continue to post these sorts of trades.
That's all I have for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And as always, do your own research, practice good risk management, and once again, I am not a financial advisor. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.